Okay, are you ready? All right, gotta open up your feet, spread apart a little bit. Okay, we only have one hip set, so I'm gonna use the microphone. First, remember, legs move the hips. Slightly bend your knees. You're gonna push your hips side to side, starting to your left. Here we go. And right. That's right. And push, push. Oh yeah. Right, left. Keep your shoulders in one place and push it up. All right. Are you ready to go forward? This is what we call isolation. That's right. Isolate it down right to your core. Push it front and back. That's right. Pelvis. Pelvis to pelvis versus the butt. Pelvis to pelvis. I ain't got no shame. That's right. Move it all out there. That's right. Let's hit all four corners. Ready? Here we go. And forward. Back and left. I'm calling out for my girl. You just follow along. Forward. Right. Back. Left. Forward. Let's connect the dots. Give me four of them. Push. Oh yeah. Come on, VIP. You are very important people for a reason. Ah. That's right. Okay, we're gonna take it the other way. Bring it down. Forward. Left. Back. Right. Forward. Left. Back. Two more. Woo! That's right. Don't forget to breathe, ladies and gentlemen. Connect the dots. And push. Oh yeah. Push. And lift. Woo! One more. That's right. Don't hang. Because we gotta regulate. All right. Let's connect it over here to the right. Push it to the right. Your left. Give me four more. And we're gonna change it over to your left. To your right, my left. Push, and that's right, even it out. That's right, to the left, lady. Are my ladies beautiful? Yvonne.com. Okay, we're gonna connect those two together. You're gonna take it in a figure eight. Here we go, and push. That's right. Woo! Anybody else gonna join us? Okay, take your hand. And left, shoulder, head, and move. Left, shoulder, head. Here we go. Left, shoulder, head, and up. Left, shoulder, head, and up. Yes! Good job. Stay up. Stay up, because we're going to take you to the island of Samoa with some fusion of Polynesian movements. All right, you're going to start off with that movement we just started. Here we go. And bam! Okay, we're going to take it in. Well forward and forward back. We're going to take it to our right, ladies. And to the left. You just follow us. All right, put your hands up in the air and roll it around. Here we go. That's Happy birthday.